Imagine hosting a pizza night where every slice rivals your favorite pizzeria. Crisp crusts, perfectly melted cheese, and that authentic wood-fired taste, all from your kitchen counter. This Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven promises just that, delivering restaurant-quality pizzas in minutes with its sleek design and powerful 800-degree Fahrenheit heat. In this review, we'll dive deep into its features, benefits, and performance to help you decide if this countertop pizza maker is your next kitchen essential. Spoiler alert, it's a game-changer for pizza lovers. What makes the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven stand out? The Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a professional-grade tool designed to bring pizzeria magic to your home. With a max temperature of 800 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks 12-inch pizzas in minutes, rivaling high-end outdoor ovens. Its compact stainless steel design fits any kitchen, from cozy apartments to spacious homes, while the touchscreen presets make it accessible for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're craving a Neapolitan masterpiece or a quick frozen pizza, this oven delivers consistent, mouth-watering results. Key features of the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven: high heat performance, up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, reaches scorching temperatures to create authentic, crispy crusts with leopard-spotted char, mimicking traditional wood-fired ovens. 5 touchscreen presets, offers tailored settings for Neapolitan, New York, Thin-Crust, pan, and frozen pizzas, plus a manual mode for custom creations. Rapid cooking technology, bakes 12-inch pizzas in minutes, perfect for busy weeknights or impromptu gatherings. Versatile countertop design, compact and sleek, it fits small kitchens while delivering commercial-grade results. Dual heating elements, 300 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjustable top and bottom burners ensure even cooking and precise control for various pizza styles. Double-paned viewing window, keeps heat locked in for back-to-back baking while letting you monitor your pizza's progress. Included accessories, comes with a cordierite pizza stone for heat retention, a pizza peel for easy handling, and a digital cookbook for recipe inspiration. Benefits of owning the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven. Why invest in this pizza oven? Here's how it transforms your cooking experience. Restaurant-quality pizzas at home. The 800 degrees Fahrenheit heat and commercial oven tech deliver professional results, saving you money on takeout. Time-saving convenience. Rapid cooking means you can whip up fresh pizzas faster than delivery, ideal for busy families or spontaneous pizza nights. Endless versatility. From classic Neapolitan to hearty pan pizzas, the presets and manual mode cater to every craving. Plus, it's great for flatbreads and roasted veggies. User-friendly for all skill levels. Intuitive touchscreen controls and included accessories make pizza making approachable even for novices. Durable and safe design. Stainless steel construction and CETL-approved safety features ensure long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Who is this pizza oven perfect for? The Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven is ideal for pizza enthusiasts. If you love experimenting with dough recipes and toppings, this oven's versatility will spark your creativity. Busy families. Rapid cooking and presets make it a lifesaver for quick, wholesome meals. Small space dwellers. Its compact design fits apartments or dorms without sacrificing performance. Entertainers. Back-to-back baking and included accessories make it a hit for pizza parties. Budget-conscious foodies. At a fraction of the cost of high-end models, it offers exceptional value for restaurant-quality results. Potential drawbacks to consider. No product is perfect, and the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven has a few quirks. Loose door seal. The door doesn't snap shut tightly, which may lead to slight heat loss over time. It didn't significantly impact performance, but could be improved. Finicky top burner for Neapolitan. The top burner occasionally cycles off at max temp, extending Neapolitan bake times to 3 minutes instead of the ideal 1 to 2 minutes. Learning curve for transfers. Sliding pizzas onto the stone with the peel takes practice, especially for beginners. Dusting the peel with flour helps. These minor issues don't overshadow the oven's value, especially for New York-style or casual pizza fans. Why you should buy the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven now. The Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven is a must-have for anyone craving authentic pizzeria-style pizzas at home. Its 800 degrees Fahrenheit heat, versatile presets, and compact design make it a standout for both novice and seasoned cooks. Whether you're hosting a pizza party or enjoying a quiet night in, this oven delivers convenience, quality, and savings. Don't settle for soggy takeout. Elevate your pizza game today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.